Let's have a tea party, mini style. This is your September printable inside the Mini Makers Club, and it's packed with everything you need to throw a charming 1/12 scale tea party. You'll get printable tea tins, floral plates, jam and jelly labels, party boxes, party banners, and more, all designed to be folded, cut, and crafted with ease. Whether you're a scissors and glue crafter or using a Cricut, this kit includes PDFs and ping files for smooth, stress-free making. It's the perfect way to slow down and to create something joyful, just for you. Want to grab this kit and get a new one every month? Join the Mini Makers Club and make a little magic. The link is in the bio, and we will see you in the